Play Pibaro. Ni pedang sebagai pisah kini ketuk kubur jengi upet ngor cable news. Haswa bengine kimi ki kubur ki babnia ana gajan miat ngena paswa syakimat bekongsan joko kubur mentang ketayo. Kajing songshit semram ke sarkar MDA kanwan ra ke jingkit ke bakia ke jela ong ba Vincent Pala. Kujing mud udok jamukul M sangna ban omit paswa syakisang kongres. Pok mi biang kejeng kena damai kuli kena tarong bat pendam kejeng tho dakinong asami umat MGNREGA tuklar keyboard penyak distrik. Maha mubak perstuntun song yu kontraktor bapentut kendau bat mau syaki jakarap. Kumba perpulai sendok kakiat pareng bak kakiat bersih kurup isnong perwat nayo bat kikali. Arpu sangut ki kena akan tay kejela layo ban pelat na kejakasa na Karnataka. IT ke sarkar jelai kejaka ke Hispa atau pra akar jaga ilaka sites open. But yashim bata shirham ki kena skul ke St. Edmunds haka Christmas Carol. Presiden Jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ba Vincent H Pala ulakno ba ke sarkar MDA ke belam da kesang NPP kalapan ngam ke jela da ke basukit ramsa namar gajing shimram ke balapalat puat. Uba Vincent H Pala ulakno ru ba gajing tumu bantau ke One North East ke datang gajing sobut ke bare Jangka RSS bat ke BJP. Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ulakno ba sarkar MDA tu belam da kesang NPP kadang pengame ke jela ke jingkit ram ke bejur da ke jing shimram palat. Apa kira ni gila petai kubor uba Vincent H Pala ule tu ba ke jingkit ram ke jela kalapoi syakalai punyau hadu saupo nak sispa jong ke GSDP belum ke jingkio ram ke bahetam hakari. Ulepen pau bagani ke namar ke jinglat ke khajna ba ke jing pulut tang si ke jingte surok ke pementoi tang ya ki menteri sarkar bagi kontraktor kan bagi kampule puthi bagi jing thau kam kisah ben. Ula maham da ke bapen pau ke jing maham jong ke AG bagi niti ayok bala da ke jela kadang beteng kumne kan sengam sisa ha ke jingkit ram.
The most difficult of the NPP is if you look into the finance of the NPP, I can give you the loan which they are taking as on today. The loan which they are taking is almost 37% of the GDP of the GSDGP. 37 of GSDP, the highest in the country. The national average is almost 28%. So Meghalaya is almost 40%, say roughly by the end, I think they are taking more and more loan. 40% of the GSDP is on loan. How can you survive on loan? If you see the internal collections of revenue will be hardly 4,000 crores, and we totally depend on the central. The contribution which we get from taxes and others are roughly around 9,000+ crores, and our internal revenue will be 4,000 crores. The rest we have to depend on loan and at the mercy of the government. So why? Because instead of generating revenue, so the leakage of revenue is very high. The leakage of revenue from royalty, leakage of revenue from excise, leakage of revenue from everywhere is very high. That's why we cannot generate. They are bound to take loan. When you take loan, especially you take from World Bank or you take from Asian Development Bank, wherever you take in dollars. Today it is 86 rupees per dollar. And then after 10 years, it will become more than 100 rupees per dollar. So you have to pay. So all this is a problem for the people of Meghalaya. As on today, you see the per capita loan which people are bearing is almost 76,000 of the loan to every citizens of Meghalaya, or they have a loan of 76,000, and every citizens of Meghalaya from the central they have almost more than 1 lakh on loan. So how can you survive on loan? So the government biggest failure is that where they take the loan, where they send the money. Why do people have become poorer and poorer? The money which they take on loan, they send mainly in roads. And who are the contractors? Only the people who are in the government, and mainly the ministers themselves are the contractors. So there's no distribution of money to the public. That's why public become very poor. And the loan which they are supposed to build for infrastructure, for example, the loan which taken at a high rate of interest, they are supposed to build road, and the road is supposed to last for at least minimum for 10 years. But today they have to repair the road 2 times in a year. So it become more and more burden. These the people of Meghalaya must understand that the finance which the government is taking, they're taking the money on loan, and where they send it, only where they have a contractors in help will be only to a certain level. So if you see from Asian Development Bank, if you see from World Bank, this is mainly for the capital investment, mainly for road constructions, mainly for building constructions and all. So we have to see, but they are neglecting the education sector. Education sector is very less. So, and for employment is very less. I think the government is not serious for the employment. They're trying to do a little bit only, but that's not enough. That's why if you see the unemployment become one of the highest in the history of Meghalaya as of today, and one of the highest in India also Meghalaya. And the chief minister proudly said that they've got so much money from the bank, from the government, so much money. But that's you get a loan today, you have to pay it tomorrow. So it's very risky. I think if you study in the government's letters of Niti Aayog or even the audit report also, they are warning Meghalaya. It may be, it may be to a trap of loan also. Trap in the sense that when you take loan, you cannot pay in the future. When you whatever revenue you get, instead of giving to development, then you have to give to the interest or you have to pay loans. That is called debt trap. So Meghalaya is almost going towards a debt trap. That is the warning given by AG also, at the same time from the Niti Aayog also. So they don't tell the truth to the public. We are always in the debt trap now. To be, at 37% of the GSDP on loan, I think is one of the things which the people has to think about it.
Habakrani kila Patai Kubor, Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC, uba Vincent H. Pala, ulong baha kabede bat ka One North East, ulong baha jingkbu bantau, ya kene keseng ka bagentop ya ke NPP ka Tipra Motha bat kiwei, kanitang ka jing suubut ka bari jong ka RSS bat ka BJP. Ulong bagatong jong ka kadhuan tamai ka de ban penpat kirong te vote reu luam ki ba persya ka BJP ya ka than chite lam mingi kenang bakin omlet ka seng kongres la ne kiwe ki seng ki berna kaliang persya ula keno bahadian ki election ka ka kadhuan ka selit benteri kambyang bat ka BJP namar baro ki dong yalam ki de ki paralog de ki khot ki berim jong ka BJP ula kentu ki padba banong ki bastat bat ki ba pet benia bha ya ka ne ka but chukor.
The one region, Pradyut, Conrad coming together, I personally see that this is a plan of the RSS and the BJP because why? They know that many of the people, the tribal people in Northeast, many of them, they don't like BJP. So what they do, they make another baskets. The anti-BJP, they put into another basket so that they'll not go anywhere. Why I'm saying so, I met a few of the leaders of the RSS and the BJP in the airport. Then they've openly told this, that this is the plan of the BJP so that the anti-BJP will not go to a congress or so they should be somewhere, wherever they go, but after election they'll go and work with the BJP only. So I'll be happy if they have good intentions. But if you see who are there in the baskets, all are friends of the BJP only or are ex-BJP only. So definitely is 100% a plan of the BJP. Knowingly or unknowingly, our friends will be in that, in that plan. So the people of Northeast should be very carefully see that if they, what's the difference between this basket and the BJP's basket? There's no difference. Once they are there, and even now they are with the BJP. So the people should be smarter than what than what they plan.
Kajing tau ya ka kenhun betamai hapok kalama jangka One North East ka kentup ka NPP ka Tipra Motha bat kiwede kalapan mi ka jeng ka ja ka bajur ha ka jilla uba Vincent H. Palau la keno ba kajing tau ya ka One North East ka datang ka jing le abut ka bariya jangka RSS bat ka BJP ban penpat ya keno tak vote ki ba persya akseng BJP habra ko ba ka than chite lam mi halor kane ha bakran bat menteri rang ba ka jilla ubadairu unong yalam Jong Geseng National People's Party Konot Kongkal Sangma hak artrek unopra arajar arpusan ulang bayakan ni kejing keno de keboong bom dan kamsho ino ru ban penpat jika nak vote ke kongres namar ke kongres si kelada pepat lupa ula banjur ke kongres kelada lupa kejing perjing mut ke bakrau bah hapok ke yeng kesam jokahi Ukanrat kongkal sang mau la pensyai ba kathong jong ke NPP bat ka One North East kalong ban wan na ka jing I ka bamentoi ban penitali bat ban penpoi ka kubor jong ka jing tali na ka benta ka than hi barok ka wei. Ula penkut agabaong badai tang haba ki jala ka than stela mingi ke tali bikin la ban penpoi ka surjong ki syakaran san perthai.
Saying that it is working towards dividing the non BJP votes. That's what I recall that he said. The point is that to be very blunt, nobody needs to work to divide them. They're already divided. So the Congress is completely divided within. You have differences. They may be sitting on the same table and talking, but internally they have their own plans separately. We are in quite touch with many of them, to be very frank. So it's an internally divided house already. So they don't need us to further divide them as such. So it's quite unfortunate that the MPCC president has made a comment like that. But it's okay. That is their personal view and opinion. For us as a party, we are very clear, and we have said it very openly, that we are not here to fight against anybody. Neither are we here to oppose anybody. We are here from a positive perspective to unify and send a message of unity for the region as a whole. We have always stressed that we believe that the Northeast states and communities must work together in the larger interest of the region, because when it comes to political space, it is only when we are united and present a united front, that's the only way we are able to ensure that we are able to carry our message across and always serve our people in a much more better manner. So we are here to give a positive message. We are not here to be negative or to break anybody or to fight against anybody. We are only here to serve the people of our communities and of the states and of the region as a whole.
Halor ki khubor bau ba apol leng do ubana keseng UDP ula ban peneso no sya keseng NPP ukondat kongkal sangma ula kubur bau ya jan perlok bha bat dijekren halor ka kam sani masima re ulong bakadang kloi palat banekren lau ba apol leng do unwan ya so em bakin abe kapor ka pabiang ban penti kena ya kani.
No, I see. These are political aspects, which of course only when time is appropriate that will come out. But we are good friends. We are always, we have always discussed politics together, and we have always, had many discussions. But I think right now to jump to a conclusion that you'll be joining and all is, I think, a bit premature right now. It's not the appropriate time to discuss all of these things. There is a lot of politics that happens. Many people from my side, last time I think it was yourself or somebody was talking to me and telling me that some NPP MLAs plan to leave. And I had asked you that time, please give me the name of those NPP MLAs. I'll talk to them and convince them that they should not leave. So this happens in politics. So there's a lot of talk, discussions, it takes place. But I think at the end of the day, let's see how things unfold. And when the final time comes, we'll let you know.
Menteri Rangba Abrem Gejala Dr. Mughal M. Sangma ubalong ru unong elam jakaliang persya ulong bo tre asyo banit pai syakaseng kongres. Bar ulong bo para jung Zenith M. Sangma ulasya mekarai ke babakla ban penyeso obyang bat keseng kongres bat unsa pensisya yakani. Dr. Mughal M. Sangma ubari Menteri Rangba Abrem Gejala ubalong ru unong elam kaliang persya ula kerencai ba tre asyo banit pai syakaseng kongres. Dagabaong bagalawe jugu kadon sabar jong kaseng. Habakran ni kelak patai kubor hagalai terik unopra arajar arpusan Dr. Mughal M. Sangma ulapan pau bagajing mentoy jugi pat ba hagajela kalong kebakam kongsan ban ni gajing mentoy jong kaseng. Ulabatai bagajing mi jugu na kaseng kongres kadagarai kabala perkat bah de gajing rai kensan da kabakadau bagadau jong gajing mi kadai namar gajing kaja kebadon hapo jong kaseng kongres. Halor gajing rong biang upara jong Zenith Sangma syakaseng kongres Dr. Mughal M. Sangma ula pensyai bagajing edisi sistem kaper na gajing terikampat ba. Ulang bu Zenith Sangma ula banlong kababaklah hakara jong peneso biang bat ke kongres. Berkata sepensisya. Dr. Mughal M. Sangma ula kedauru ba kumunong elam ula trehok ban pene ke kerteng bat kuburam kabak hamdondor bani ke kesiar bat kerupa.
You see, there are two things. One thing is that I will not like to share my thoughts from family perspective. Family remains family because whether he goes to Congress or to anywhere, he remains my brother. But I want to tell you one thing, rather tell everybody. I may love my brother, I may love my sister, but once I have shared this with all of you earlier, once I have decided to be in public life, I do not remain monopoly of my family members alone. I became. That means I have hundreds of thousands of brothers and hundreds of thousands of sisters, nephews, and nieces. That's how I look at it. And that is the conviction with which I have been working. My work, and as far as my work, which has been over the decades seen by people, will be a testimony to what I say. You go to Ampati, you go to Garwits, you see whether Dr. Mukul has engaged in favoritism to really enrich his own siblings and relatives. You just go and see. I think it has become necessary for all of us to know that. Why I did that was because I wanted to lead by example. Maybe some other people also will take cognizance of this approach and understand the value of this, because more than the silver and the gold, I think the name and fame is worthier. There's higher value. How we want to be remembered. So this is one thing which I have said. So Zenith will have. I think it's an aspirational move. He might have thought his aspirations couldn't be fulfilled if he sits, but he may be wrong. I am telling you, he may be wrong, and he will be wrong. I'll prove it. The interest of the people and the state supersedes everything else. It also supersedes the interest of any political party, any political dispensation. Now, it is not that I nurture this bitterness, but then if I share with you the truth, then it becomes bitter. You see? So it's not always so pleasant to share all our experiences. These are not something which has happened overnight. You know that I have left Congress and I have taken a very, very conscious decision. It's not that I have just jumped out, not thinking what to do, not having a plan for future. I definitely have a scripted chart of paths already scripted for the state of Meghalaya. As one of the members who have had the privilege of serving this state and building this state together with other leaders of the state. So I cherish them, and I still have time on my side, and it is my binding responsibility to see that the state that we have all collectively built together is somehow protected from all perspective. And that responsibility is vested upon all the leaders.
Dr. Mukul Sangma ubari unang yalam kaliang persyaah ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela ula kentat ban peniasok bat ke One North East. Dan ke bakado bakan long tang ke jumpat seb ke pore ki la dagi wan ban khot yu. Abagran ikilat patai kubor hakalai trek unok pra arhajar arpusan u Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong ba on tre ban yadan lang bat ke One North East. Dan ke bakado bakajing peniasok jong menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat upradio Hagne ke One North East kamdek bathamai namar kledon lang lupa baru ulang bagi dikit khot jong ke BJP. Ula kedau bagi ke One North East ke datang ke jing ai jakai ti baru ulam ham sepang ki freelancer hakasan perthai. Ulang ru bagi jing keli mentah kalong bahatu Konrad Kongkal Sangma baru pradio laki kuan em penjengai ladia nak BJP. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulang bahkan dan cibun ki jing kela mentah hakakamsan perthai hakathan chatai lam ini barok kawai.
It's nothing new. I think Mr. Conrad Sangma, the incumbent Chief Minister of our Meghalaya, and Mr. Pradyut, they have been together already. It's nothing new. They have been together, they are together, and I know they will be together. So they will have their own space. That's it. As I have said, there will be many freelancers. You know, the days ahead will speak for itself. You will see for itself yourself. So keep your fingers crossed and see how political dynamics unfold in the years to come. There'll be many surprises, many surprises from the whole Northeast perspective for the good of our people, for the good of our people. But in as far as this very association is concerned, I don't think it is new. It is there. It's just that they are trying to reach out in a larger scale. That's all. Why do you ask this question? I have already said that this government was installed by BJP, so they are part of the BJP. So also Pradyut, he is a part of the BJP. They are together. Where is the question that rather, in fact, you have to ask them whether they want to somehow distance themselves from BJP or want to delink from BJP. That question has to be posed to them. It has to be directed to them.
So was there any invitation to you to join this group?
So far, no. So far, no. I just heard they were talking. That's it. And then I don't think they should also.
Kajikan at kalami biang hagasnong may kuli kebadan hagajaka kapot kajala Meghalaya bat Assam. Hadin balakano bakat to kaniginong song na Assam kilalet banta rong bat pendam igijing tho umat balatay lang baga scheme MG NREGA kabalalam siya kajing yasho bat ya kani ka huri hura lala bantem no dagi bor penya district bat kipulit. Kapis committee ru kalashim kya banwan rabiang ya ga songsok songsan ha kani ka than kapot.
Wah, thona hun ra ta kaki. Oi tin. Samni mat chana tin. Samni mat chana.
Kajikan at kabajur kalami biang hagasnong kapot kajala Meghalaya bat Assam hamay kuli. Hadin bagladan kajing keno bakat to kaningot kinong song na Assam kilalet ban tarong ban penduk pendam kajing tho no mot balatay lang baga scheme NREGA jong kapungri dokha kabaladai try hagasnong may kuli. Kembali ojing tip bagan kajing jai kanat kelajah kamit jong kalai po terik unai biang. Ha kabala keno bakat to kaningot gibran Assam kilalet banle akan kam. Taredo bagalami kajing yasho edat akan kinong song kamay kuli ban na Assam. Mar tang Maria jing tip nagaliang gibor pulit ka Meghalaya bat di Magistor kilalet chakane kajaka bantem yakane kajing kanat. Wala hadian kaladon kajing penbet di Magistor na Assam bat Meghalaya rengkat bat kipulit na bro arti ligi jelai. Nrei haka step kababot kata kasitrik uno opera arajar arpusan. Kalami biang kahuri hura kabajor tarhadu baginong ilam ke FKJGP North Khasi Hills District lambat ginong ilam ke All Right Marwet People's Federation kilalit banai ke jing senran ya ginong song ke mai kuli bat kilo kular ru banai ke jing trailang banwanra ya ka songsuk songsan akan dikatakan kaput habakren beginong tho kubor halor kene ke jingja nakaliang u Deputy Commissioner ke district di Boy Abilash Baranwal ula pentip ba mare yo jing tip halor kene ke jingja mar nakaliang kibor punya district lapha ay Magistor bat kipulet bandit bantem ya kene ke jing kana Ulong ru banakaliang ki arliang sorkar kidang pentreka meka peace committee ban petngor ki kendom kendram hapo ginistong kapot. Nrei mar kejingdan ki resham kabu jumi ki kanat bat ki kendom kendram. Nrei nakaliang ki bor kena distrik ki pentikna ban kam ya ki to ki brio ki basham kabu bat ki bawan ra ke jing mod ban pentut ya ka sok san. Hakabedai bat kapung ri do kha jaga mai kudi. Ilong bakadai ka bahap hapo Meghalaya. Baru Deputy Commissioner Ulong bagi kejadian kedan hapeng arliang mamla jong sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya. Ha kabai dai bagi jinglet ai jingkershan da kinong yalam jok FKGGP North Khasi Hills District. La penlong ya kan ni kejing yalang bagi kinong yalam shinong rengkat kinong shong shinong kamai kuli ban tip benia halor ke balaja ban kila kularu ban ya don lang ban senran bat ki kenang barwan ra ya ke shong sok shong san.
Reports yesterday late night that some antisocial elements have blackened the MG Narega board for Maikuli Fishery Pond. We immediately dispatched magistrate yesterday to have a word with the people to show presence from the administration side. Simultaneously, as of now, we have already taken it up with the counterpart district administration to make sure that the culprits are brought to book. Those who are trying to bring or disturb the social harmony over there, they should be brought to book, and so that there is no untoward incident in the future as well. And so the peace committee is working. They have already had 1-2 meetings so far, but always, in fact, these are the incidents which show that the peace committees are working, because those who have vested interest in maintaining and in not allowing peace to come over, they are trying to do these type of things so that the peace committee becomes unsuccessful. But then whatever local disputes over there, whatever developmental issues over there are, we are trying to coordinate with this peace committee so that all these stakeholders are taken into account. Maikuli people have registered their grievance, and they have also submitted their petition to not just DC office but also to the government of Meghalaya. And as per their wishes, the government of Meghalaya is currently having discussion with the government of Assam as well. For me to be able to speak on this matter would be quite premature, as it's a matter of ongoing discussion between two states. The moment we got information, we anticipated that it might lead to heightened up emotions. Some people might take an advantage and create social disharmony over there. So we have dispatched police. In fact, from Assam side also, they have dispatched police. And as of now, police presence is there from both ends.
Shisngi hadian baladan kejing kiwen ba kejing syakta ke shong sok shong san ha ke shnong Maikuli ha ke district Ribhoi ke shnong ke bamal khap ba ke jela Assam ka kaliang ginong mikmat badai pet ke peace committee jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam kilala ban penbet no ke jing ya kan at bat ban ya soiru ya ke sekolah ha pring ginong shong shnong da kaliang ke Assam bat ka Maikuli leng ba ke jing yalang ke balalong ha ke artrik uno opera arhajar arpusan ha ke shnong Maikuli. La ban pekan mahong ni bahag kamiat jo kalai putrik unai wieng la kenok beladan kato kanungut kibriau da kliang ka Assam ki balalit ban pendam big jing thot no mau balatai ban pen pau ke jing tei ne skim MGNREGA jo ke shnong Maikuli ke badan ka pungri do kha jo ke shnong ta do ba kalami ke jing kan at bat ke jing sho ya dat ap ne ginong shnong ka Maikuli bat jong kaliang ke bana Assam ha ka bana kaliang ki bor pemyat ka Meghalaya bat Assam kila phas non de ki pulet bat ki majestor ban paharah ke shnong kenang bantem ya kano kajing ya snam. Halor kan kajing ja kabala pencong siir kinong shong shnong ka Maikuli. Da kaliang MLA ke Jirang uba deiru menteri ke sarkar jela uba sustenis sotun. Ulashim kia marmar ban bata ki bor penyat district Ribhoi lambat ki bor pulet ban penbet no mardor ya kan kajing ya kan at kenang meniada na kino kajing ja ke basngosi. Ha ka bagi bor bade kmi ru ya ka peace committee jong bro artli ki jela ilalet ban penbet ya kene kejeng kan ar ya kene kejeng kan ni sok apne ginong shong shnong ka Maikuli ban kaliang ka Assam leng ba ka peace committee lalam kmat do ba Eric Dekar u magistrate na ka district Ribhoi ka bana Assam lami kmat do Topash Saikia u Nicholas Marak urang ba shnong ka Maikuli ki kenhun sang bhalang na Meghalaya bat Assam kumjo ru barok ginong shong shnong na Maikuli. Lengba kene ke jingelang bane penbet ya lor ki kenrum kenram ke belakta ke shong sok shong san tang namar ke jingdon jong ki riu shim kabu banwara ke jing soye pher jingmot bar ke jingkan at apne ki dok shong shnong ha kene ke than khap pot nakaliang ki nong mi khmat jong ke peace committee ke larai ban pha e soye ke saskular apne ki dok shong shnong bat ki nong elam shnong ban pentikna ba kom gi dik jingja ke om jasho hadian habot Nalor ke jinge soy saskular ban pende ke shong suk shong san hakene ke jinge lang la ailat ru ban penyang biang yo pos elektrik bala sya pen khalam hakikat tu kene bnai ke bala let no ban ban tho biang ki dak hau monong rem ban penpau ya kejing tai lang baga skim MGNREGA hau monong rem bala syap pendam kiriu syam kabu. Nagalia ko bahasa steni sotun beriu MLA kejirang constituency badu menteri ke sarkar jela Maria yo jeng tip alo kene keje kan at kabla mi ep deng ginong song snong ha kene ke than kaput. Ulong baku munong mi khamat ul sim khia bane kran badu menteri rang ba gejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka bala petha ya ki deputy commissioner jongbra artli gejela ban penbet mardor ya kini ki kenrum kenram bala ban kata ka song suk song san jong ki brio ha ka than kaput.
Because the people of Assam and the people of Meghalaya in this particular region have been living peacefully for a very, very long time. Since time immemorial, since history can remember. So I, again, from the very bottom of my heart, I thank you again for taking the initiative, for sitting and discussing, and for coming to a mutual resolution to this issues that has been faced by both the sides. So I'm very happy to announce that this mutual peace agreement has been signed, and in fact will be signed in the presence of the respected media people and in the presence of representatives from both the sides, from the peace committee of both the sides. And just to give a short brief on what was resolved today between both the peace committees. So the agreement terms first is maintenance of peace and joint resolution of issues. So both peace committees have agreed that any issues or misunderstanding of disputes relating to the border will be discussed jointly by both the peace committees. No unilateral action shall be taken by either side without prior discussion and mutual consent. Number 2, installation of electric poles. Both sides have agreed to, number 1, that electric poles may be erected by both the Assam and Meghalaya authorities within the respective sides. And secondly, this measure is intended to ease public inconvenience due to existing electricity issues and ensure improvement of basic services for all local residents. Number 3, restoration and rewriting of signboards. So both parties have agreed that the Maikuli Village Fishery Pond signboard as well as the MGNREGA CIB Community Information Board, which was earlier erased or damaged by miscreants, shall be rewritten and restored. And number 2, both committees will ensure that no party causes harm to official or public signboards in the future.
Nakaliang tungi kumpi nami khmat pada nakaliang bercakap dengan puak pakundan kono ka jinga kena kam hakini gislong de boda de halo bijingja ke bam cisngi menne hamai kuli pada mennen hadu menero nakaliang jongamat sunjo ke sempetip nakaliang di senglong kume namai kuli kinong sunglong namai kuli matte melayo ban yekran sigibor bahlon Shau Honorable Chief Minister, Shau Deputy Chief Minister, nangka Shau di Deputy Commissioner ke SP nakali ke Polis baru, ba ke kinshim ka singgam ka action ke bandon ka ground nang ba kanumni kano ka jinga kenat kano ka jinga dom yang kami ka kinja ka basungsi. Te kala menta sipang rangyo ka kubor ka ba nakaliang ki ar mama kemudian nakaliang ki Assam bati Meghalaya kino di Badan Harto kilaya dep ban penskem biang habide buka peace committee hakaba tin saya sign menta i video jo ko umning in select menta sete batin sign yang kata peace committee namba kimum dai bandan kano ka jin kunwet habide bati area particular hateha mai pulis habide begini ki signboard bagi post katum ka information bagi ngelayo ba menta hike hapkin kilai sim ka jin lunjur lang ba yak to ka signboard ka ba nakaliang ki don katu kene ngintip mono bale baki ladap ban ada ka rongyong bak mentala ladap ban kolor bak mentai kisa itu thok biang ye ketika pintian kiba nakalian ka MGNREGA hal bakila instruct ki ba kan kinto ki pintian ki bala thok katum ka scheme ka bawan leng baga MGNREGA
Bantip at bansaki lagi jongki khamat ek jinglong jingman halo ke jingsna ek surak shillong dauki Hagala sing ublay jong katayo sembut menteri rang ba kajela uba Preston Tunsong ulalit jurep ya kajing snaik surak nado na kajingkiang sherpi shado dauki Bad uladap da kejing so benyau ban saki ya kejing syak penjular ki jakarep bad ula betha badai ban kemi benia kejing lut jing sep baro bad ban sio ke bailut kesan syaki trai jaka bad chikinong rep rukum jo. Kani kejing jurep kelas sedang na kejing kiang Sherpi ha ke bawa Preston Tensong ula betha ke company ki kontraktor bad ki bor penyat distrik bagi officer sarkar bad nak NHIDCL bagi di banchim kia kejing ia ke bami nak kejing peniat ki pipe kenang ba anio ban snap pendap doi kene project ke bakongsan ban pensuk ya kalit kawan je kipat ba hadian kene ba Preston Tensong ulit ban jurep ya kejaka ha 101 area bad hajan ke THC Pomlom bad ulah betha badi ban sedang no ban peniaso ki pipe ke basa sasis pa nyo pomitar bad ban pendap ya kejing pengkedria ki pos elektrik apo jong kene ubnai bad kontraktor lo kular ban snap pendap ek surok apo kalai pui terik mata ubnai ka company ke bapentrai kene ke benta kala ai ke jing kular ban pendap no kini ke benta kenang bagi pat ba kini ban sakino ba ladap lo nadong syadong ya kesurok folien hapo kalai pui terik menta ubnai
Api kidon kat dari kidau ke bangan nom ong bet ba squarely ban kono ya ka company lane ya ki kontraktor lane ya ka NHIDCL ten rei bun ki challenges ki bang ya shem ki bangi kendo kham tam me ka we dei ban kalan issue dikatai ka pelong ba ka project ka slam dari pipet ka package one nadu nang tuno Sherpi hadu ang tu hapo PSC Pomlum banyun ka PSC Pomlum ni ong pi ka problem ang tu pada dei ki shifting utility ki bateng teng dei bat ka light teng dei bat ka hab ban shift ki pipe hab shift ki post electric te kitar ki don ki issue kam tam pi balai be tengko ya kan package one kalong challenges nomor ba upai pende warit upai 300 daya 250 daya ban shift ya umde ka masuk te na ka daw kadon ka challenges te mener na try lagi hang to hapo 101 area nilai ya patai bakin sedang no ban le ya ka basa ka kapsang kumasis pa nyo kumita ban pendep ya ka connection jong tu upai jong ka peci te kabas ngotuna klong mene hadin mengne kren nang ta akbai dei bat kitu gi post electric lu laya menjur bakin pendep apo biang apo uni benai de pendep lu bat nakaliang jong kontraktor jong ka pati chuan lu keluar ba ya kan ke surok pendep apo jong uni ulai pui triku Desember ho ka curing kadang kan bampor le se extra sa khatsan ski la ni arpo ski ya kata kam lele tang banganga kwa baki pai ba ro ken yo i ba ka jela jongi kaya chapram bikin yo i ba ka kam kummala ang lot daki post nem de la le no ya kan ke folin nadu na Sherpi hadu ang te apo Pomlum PSC ba kin yo i ba kala dem na ro syadong hapo kalai puitrik jong uni Desember
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tensong ulet banjurip kejing Shnai ke Surok hakatan wa kedat bat Pasham hakaba ulasham bakladan kejing syak penjular jong kijakarep hakaba kitrai shnong bagi nang shnong gila keno baka company ke bapentrai ke Surok ala pentuat ke kendau ba dikimau syaki beri kwai ba tempo hakapor menmia halor kene kejing syak penjular kijakarep lamaha baka company kambet show ban pentuat ke kendau ni kimau syaki jakarep ha kejingnya jong Surok lang ba ka package 5 Usembut Menteri Rangba ulah betha ki bor peniat distrik bad ya SDO Civil banle ya kejing le Sorjamin rengkat bad kejing mi benia ya kejing jing sep bad kejing syak penjular ki trai jaka bad ki jakarep bad khamtam ha ka balasaki ya kejing do kinong rep ya kwai bad tempo bad ki we kejing thong ru kumjo
abi le bekato ki company ki karin ha ka por namar ki jong hi ba ki hap hi ki le ki slide hi na to ki ha ba ju slap ne ki sa Habageti ke mau ki pelang ni harut sai sibun pa. Posni ki sepetulun kai mto we artli kedan ka evidence kedan video kedan ring. Posni mto betulun bah mau artli lai teli sotli mto. Ang nak tertel ada ngi kan ada ngi hoi smith jan poi dak hajar hi ke betulun diki ha posni ro. Tambah kebakan serkai kalong permit. Permit sunyet baik mto dak kato ka sen joki sunyet betram ram baik. Begitu ki mau ki se ki jingtung jing temporo atau gila dia. Kata deka kejing lek kejing ki mre habangnya krempan markmat bende nakalian joki kila ban ya sai bit ya kata ki ong bit bakum ta bakum ne rei kejing sa ngot mapi ki meladon nang ne pele i jelok jong hikmat wat ki MLA wat ki seng la badong wat ki SDO video badon lang ki ya kata kejing sa ki julor kata oh jaga jing sha da kembang kadai pun siu nama ni kemalai kre mene nama ni kinong rep kinong kendong ni seni tulis tulan naga agriculture but horticulture sector mah kalau kam siu tu da ingin ya ban da ingin ya da ingin ya bu school kun da ingin ya bu tuition kun mod da ingin pen dap pen biang ni lah kajong ni kesem kamu kejing lai jong ka kala jeng rat no ken ya kata ka jing yo kejikot kajong ni teman tang ni meladon hak sitom mah cuma tang la pak school kun seselong la pak college kun seselong ban bay tuition ban bay kot ban bay slide da ingin pen ni tu apa kata kejing tu kejing tep jelas siapa penurut siapa penjulur lu
พิมันตากับบางี้นี่แหละก็ลงนักเรียนกับ district administration นักเรียน SDO civil งาย direction บา in survey ผ่านนาดงสุดงบัดบันแหละกับ assessment ลูกมาร์กเน่กจิงจดกจิงปรากีมาร์เร็ดมาเรียงกับบากีกิทุงการเด็กกับบิชิรเกยงลายุอีมันตันดักขมัดจงเดบักินอ่องบิกบัตัวงามอีเดียร์กันเดตั้งกี่ company พลาสุโธอีกี่ contractor เบตเรย์กับกำกี่กว่าบันเดปลอยกี่กว่าบันคำโยนองน่ากระดาวกับเจียงทุกเดนเรย์nga IT hapo USDO civil by inpek benia ikani rengkat baru video by inpek benia baru ban access ka eka jingdo ka ba ki bapli kini kedong rep ki lai kendu bat bang ni kal ngila I warning lo ne ka ba shai kadar klong ba kim bitchu ban penhap yakini ki kendau yakimau shani sapo jakarep jakariang habayat kini ka surok na ka package ka number 5 ni baki by insteady inpek in Kenya India te kalot ka bakaduk ka dai baniyat ka jing siu shaki try jaka ki bapli ki tu ki nogrep ki ba ka jing duk ngayu iu kwai utum to bat ki wei kwei jing tu
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Presiden Tensong Wule Tho bahalor ke jingsnai ke jingkiang. Kikam ki jam kila sedang benti ya ke nong rem hagi bentai ke bahab ke senong nong pedeng. Manang nepat kan poi syagi bentai ke basyadian jo ke senong siem bad ulaong bala betha ki company ba contractor begini ban penstet no kikam ki jam ban pun susu ki nong tray kenang ban la ban pendap ke project ha ke por ke bala bo. Kat bahalor ke jingut ki nong song bakim semlayo ya ke pisa jong ke jing dia ke jaka wa Presiden Tensong ulaong bule keren baru Deputy Commissioner ke District West Gentle Hills baru la pentep ladat ban siulot ke bai jaka kum tau Deputy Commissioner un salome ke jingyalang ha ke ban sekot lang ki tu ki try jaka ladat yo ke pisa kum jo ya kini bal ujor bakim semlayo ke pisa kenang ban yo ban penbet no ke kam
nang tuna bangiyangan ke jingking dauki ke bamenta pin pe chutu seneng ila sedang na kaliang jongka no pedeng side ila sangti foundation but kani ka banang ni pe kan tot somewhere chani sadin jongka ni kau snow si ne po yang tu dauki tu ki kan hun ki don lai try sau try tu kita ki land owners ki ba complain ba ki padyo ngala phun yu disi ba kumno kala kan long ta ten rei kat kum ke jingya thu disi kalong ka kani ka lan competition la ailot den rei ong ampit ba kawan pada ka complain te kan ni disi khot la shai la nelicious ni yakin ki agrave party ki ba don kum kata ka jing complain ban ngal ong disi steady ba page ba kat kum kamap jong kan ka line ka alignment jo stroke stick ya kata la dan dei sisa ba kata por bati kamu mod yim don lenti do ngoi pat hap ban siu ya kita try cakap ten rem tip pada yo kadon ke jing ya tengku para try jakaru kata ngamla kan ong ten rei ngala I direction ba udisi juai ud khot no wood ya kitu kibla yo pisa berkumju ya kini giba ong bagi klem yo pisa berkat ru ban pen I ya kabab kum bakalong ya ke jing ya jo so
Kani ka kanhon jong sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela kalalit banjure surok na kesnong wa kadat syaduk dauki. Bat kalasyam bagadik surok single lane kelasnya syabab palat. Bat kumtala syamekarai bagatnat PWD kan ai tino mardor ke detail project report berstabha bat berstab penhek do hakikat tu kini kejaka. Bat ban ni tanat di kenekatan ke bakring kinong jengok kai pertai tengba ke jingdon ke jingkiang dauki. Ke bagi patba bagi kinong jengok kai ke snow tanat balik syong liang hakawa ungot.
Best option should be, I think, providing jute mat.
Abadai berka package 2 berka package 4 ro ka progress of work ka ibiang ten rei kam kut tangata ngilaya bu pressure bala ko mungkin hapan pen state ban kampen bon chuchu ikonong tre kenang bangila ban poi sa kata target ka ba ka jingbo target ya ka package 2, ka package 4, package 5 bangin pendep hapo jong u Desember arajar akon riu. Te ko makalong menta te ngapet ya ka ngawat pet daladi rengkat ki company rengkat ni na ki official jong ka sarkar baru nilai don lang te ka we ka ba handeng la poi pada ka package 5 kam tam ka tok surok ka ba de ka singkelin nadu nang ne na wa kadai nadu akadai hadu ang tidauki kajing sniu jong kan surok ka plat teng la sim karai ba ka pludi kan som in no wood ya ka DPR ha ka bangin le ba bat kan ton ke caka ka bangin la ban yo ka bangin la ban kampen he ngin kampen he bat ngin kampen bit pen biang kam tam ya ide stretch ba de ha pok kajing king dauki ka myong ka ba pau nam ba don kan ka wa ka ne kwa ngot ka ba ka boting kayat ki teroris ki tuj bah chane hanong pedeng ro ki tuj ba tengah kwa ban beautify ro ya kan ka beta tengah kermen scam ba hadin melayo kan DPR ngin sedang no ka kam namar ba ka target ka bang kwa pede pulong shwa ban slap shwa jong u benangai wasau jong u teus nem arjar belu na kermen scam bangin la ban pendet ya kan ka reconstruction ya kan ka surok ke position ke bade nadu wa kadai hadu apo dauki
Nai sa bangi de kebentak ki waipat ki kubor ngan sawan pai hadin kini kecing permena. Nau PCN na ganagan miet ngana pai biang syagi benta jong ko kubor. Da gajing temu benele banrat dengkong ya gajing dekiat bean hayo mau kerwat. Ki seng long kemia seng samlashnong ka Village Defence Party ba kadar barshnong mau kerwat. Kilio ban kurup kumba prapulai senduk ka kiat pareng bat san spak litar ka kiat persi. Balathe no ekani ka kiat baro akamadan jakar ha mau kerwat ha kasi balang jong katayo.
Kiseng long keme kiseng samlashnong bagi Village Defence Party rengkat kadar bashnong mau kerwat lengbag jeng trishtam degi bont ligi benai komisi benta matela kam ek jeng jelai kakam de kiat bean hayo mau kerwat kelio ban kurup kumba prapulai sendok ka kiat pareng bat kumba sans palitar ka kiat persi mayo mau kerwat kibala buri bah hagi yang ja kendok kencrot ban neki kali Yagiri kiat beliau ban kurup labun menai menta kesi kata kalai terik unapra arjar arpusan. Lara no eki banthe agamadan jakar hamau kerwat. Beliau ru ikejingalang lengkot hakabalai don lang ginangalam shtong kemau kerwat keseng samla ke Village Defence Party bat keseng long kini. Rengkat gejing sakilang jong ba bijerwa ubri superintendent ki pulet ke district Southwest Khasi Hills bat ki menteri bat ki secretary shnong jong ki khat RP gishnong ki mamarjan hagane kathan. La ban kedau bagi negeri ni kenrab negeri yok kurup kiat kelalong nado ubnai jembang hadu uno prak senam arhajar arpusan ya keba kedar barsong mau kurwat bagi seng treman ngobha ila syum kia ban persya negeri DBA nya kiat hakayo mau kurwat kinong ilam snong mau kurwat kala maham teng eru ikibri bajimlian banwan ra bade kiat hayo mau kurwat bakim dei syupan le ni kejat kam apo yo kabhap apo snong mau kurwat nama kejing de kiat kam kata tangi kim lang salang Rikuan Ra'ru kijing snio ki bahar rukom. Kilapan pau bagi mdai bagi nyobeng dan eben yuno bagi kijing anu ki kalong manrat dengkong kijing snio kam tam kakiat bat udrops. Hagani kejuk sini kedal barsong mau kerwat selpen ku buram kerpangru yau baar rembai ubari traffic officer jong ka mau kerwat police station. Bat ki ba ajin kran hagani kesini kilong ba bijerwa superintendent ki pulet ba Didi Thongni presiden ka Village Defence Party ba WCD Toy Secretary Kong MK Lingdo Presiden Senglong Khmer bat kiwe
ti kijong pi ti ino ikikam kiduk kijong pi banginiawan langhang ni ban penpau ya ke ka ba ngi kum ki Senglong Khmiru ngiadan benta ban pangharai lagi jong kisnong ki thau ki jongi ba nilayo ban kurup kat kini kijing di basni tikum ke Senglong Khmer ni sngo barang idap lagi jing so si ke bakram habang yo sngo baka shnong ke jongi kadap tang laki ki jing sne ki baharukom kaba kini ki nong one day be an ya kini ki jat jingdi ki ba pher ki ba pen sne udur om tang ya ka shnong ga jongi henrai ya ki marjan marparu kumju but kalong ke ka ba pen do ya yangi kum ki kimi ban pe yer bi jong ki yeng ki sem ban pe yer jong ki khun ki ti ki henmen ki para ki jongi ki ba yo ban mat kum ni kini ki jat jing snil ti dena ni ka daw ni yami ni trei shitam bat ngaso ban ai kublai shibo ni ki senglong kimi ki bamri wat hakamir ka yongru bang in yami renti ringkat lem bat ka shinong ka thau lem bat ki bor sarkar kunju na kaliang ka police department ti kum ka senglong kimi nga khot kerpat ru ya phi lang baro kisnong kita ki marjan marpa kum ngawer hang ni bangin ya trailang ya ka ju ka kam ban pen bha ya ka saudong saukun ga jongi ban pen bha ya ka imlang salang ha kisnong kita ki jongi
Katanat social welfare jang gajala Meghalaya hakasimba ar jang tayo kalawan yalamno iki arab sangut ki kena kenthai ki belalit pule hagajala Karnataka yakini ki kena layo ban pelaj naga Somya Kesanu Palli Student Home ha Penumale kabaka sarkar Karnataka kalalap bagane kejakasa kamshem layo jing itu bat kamlong kebabiang ni kebasingan bansa Katanat social welfare jang sarkar Meghalaya hak artrik no opera arajar pusan Kalashim tino ya bro arp sangut ki kena kentai ki beranda kerta ba san hado kat laisnem naga district Chika Balapura Karnataka kini ki kena kedai ki belalet chathe ban pulih hok na jeliau kusnam arajar arpuzan leng baka kenhuan melatip kum galai senshar cultural society kini ki kena ki kentup ki shpongun na East Khasi Hills nyongun na East Janta Hills nrengun na West Janta Hills but iway na West Khasi Hills Kadkum gijing itu ka District Child Protection Officer ka no touch lakado balayo pelat ini ki kena na kajakasa ka bagerteng ka Somya Kesanu Palli Student Home ha Penumale hadin gijing jurip jok sarkar Karnataka ha gijing jurip lalap bakani kajakasa kamyo jing itu bagijing longjengman kadai ka bamsngan bat ka bambiang satya Ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights lengbag chairperson ka Agatha K. Zangma kalau ujor halor ka Leisenshire Cultural Society bala betha ban khangno ek jing trekam joka nomor bakam dei ka seng ka beli ojing itu Dalor kane ka Agatha K. Zangma kalong badan ka me ka sarkar ban penti kena ya ka jing shingan ki kena da ka babo ya ki standard operating procedure ki baklan ya shon pa ki kena sabar ka jelab kin puli Mentai kini kena lakan tup bahaga tup child in need of care and protection. Batkin syong shipor haka children's home jogi kena kentai ha mau ka siang. Bagatanat social welfare kan netrailang bagatanat pune putih ban penlong i bridge course bat ki preparatory class kenang bakin la ban rung biang sha ka jing puli jong kasnam arhajar arpun rio.
We got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098 by the local aid people saying that the children were not able to understand the language. They were being admitted to the government school which teaches Kannada language of all the subjects and they were not able to adjust with the food. They used to cook once in 5 days. Okay, that was being served for the children and there was no proper hygiene also. The water they have to get from the river and they have to drink it. Okay, they should not waste the food. If the food is thrown in the dustbin, they have to eat from the dustbin. Like this much severe condition was there going on. Even if they don't
to beat them. So we have filed an FIR on the warden and also the institution and also on the person who took the children from here to there on the leave of providing the best education for them and we train the trust of the parents.
What is the name of the
there in Bagepalli it is the name of Aim for Seva Trust. Aim for Seva Trust. So this Lensar Society has transferred these kids for the Aim for Seva Trust of Bagepalli, Chikbalapur.
How did you first notice that?
Sir, I got a distress call from Child Helpline 1098.
Most of the times that we have received it is through the Leisenshire Cultural Society. So this is one organization that is definitely operating illegally and has been sending children in these kind of conditions.
Can you give the office bearers of that organization?
We have, I'll give it to you. I mean, we have some letters and some, communications that we've made, and most of the time they have refused to give us any answer because they say that they are not an organization. So they are only helping children, but it is not a organization.
Who's running it? Who's running it? Like, obviously, some people are there.
There are people who we have met, and like I said, I'm not at a place where I can disclose names right now, but whatever action has to be taken will be taken from the SP's office.
Hadirin gejing ujor jugi board peniat chnong bambiang kejakaya kejat. Ha kasimbar juga tayo u MLA Kemaulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang. Ula jurep gejing isna kejakaya kejat ha Maulai Mauyong Japung. Bad bata he jang ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Bagi de benchna da ka bapaka katkom ka detail project report.
And why I'm late? Oh, stop. See, this is not the way. Last time also you were late.
Sir,
Why do I have to wait for you?
no, sir. Sir, you didn't have. Sir, I had left for 9 a.m. In fact, I am not going to office today.
No. This is not an excuse.
U MLA Kemaulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang hak artrik una opera arhajar urusan ulalet banjurep gejing pentrei ya kejakayat kejat ha Mauyong Japung. Hadin gejing ujor ni borsnong ba gejing trei kamlong ke bebiang setia. Uni MLA uli thu bakat kom ke detail project report lamang banchna kejakayat kejat ke bejingai news pak mitar ke badan arpu prateli street light bat kejaka abbas. Mereka kom gejing lap ke gejing pentrei kamlong ke bebiang setia. Uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ula khot iki officer ke NHIDCL ban panjing pencai lor kane ban betha bagi de ban menteri ka kamkat kum ka detail project report ke balamang kam tami di street light ban ula penpau ba gejing trei bambiang gadai da gejing ai syaki subcontractor ula penpau ru ba gejing full jong ke project kalau ban pendunai gejing ja accident ha ki jaka nani kita ki black spot nado kathan jong kathanat ha Maulai ado Mauyong rit.
शॉर्ट था तो आप लोगों ने रुक जाओ बोला
नहीं रुक जाओ नहीं अब स्पेस है ना
स्पेस है तो आप लोग
Don't worry about space. Space is available.
Sir,
We have bus shelter provision. You give us space, we will construct a very good bus shelter. This one, we have a provision, but they were already complaining that there is no space.
Pentasi Haji Syah kari kasian ke Baar. Bagi wan nak kari spot inspection hadin bagi yo ya ka complain. Nak kali yang jok sidong gur kompentri ya kari ka di tempat baru artiang kari ka mulai Japung. Di hot nak kali yang jong nga bad nak kali yang jong sidong isu mar haki lakun kumbasis nam tam ngatrai mo kumbasnom. Wilayah nak kali yang jong nga wilayah ban inspect kari ka highway nadu nang tay na po masyarakat Kamulai PS ter sadu siya Mauyong rim namar pi kidan kini black spots ki babun kini ka stretch nadu na tay sadu siya kaba kijing accident kijan ako ka force ko ipan kijing mensaw kijing yap breu kila aja de halo kata nakaliang ka junga ngalara atu por inspect nai keren bagi engineers de ong ka dongkam bandon ka footpath kamla banlong ba ubriu bat ka kali kini lang naju kam tampo highway tengi lara ke dengi sunghu ban ngai khumlei ru ba hot wat lada mentangi i ba baro the whole search kam padem patio le ini bentane po mulai Japung ba sanction bat la pentrei enrei hadian bala pentrei pan ka sosi kalong ka jingtrei kamlong ka itna tena makata na kaliang jong snong na kaliang kirang badong ila pentip yang bar ngelawan inspect kumba kan tayo tu ada artio lai tio lai tio ngelawan inspect Haji Syah ngelawan kidon ki engineer na po NHIDCL ki manager nata bat ki kontraktor ru de Haji Syah kadi keju ke bengi page menta identify kidon ki spots kumba pi mene oh kidon ke footpath kum tu layak hari suddenly namar ba ka kham i jenjar ban sina ba ka kham long riat ki pelaj no ka tu kamut ubriu la layak kamut layak footpath nang ni haban biang sya surok kidon jumut ki ku kata tengila pen last time ru andrei ki kham le de kuma pi menta kidon sibun ki jing duna pi ketika kom kerro katuru kaba ki mau saling na po kimbiang halor jong kendo ki bot ban sukondro pi tu dalak jong ki kman Te gitu ki baru bangi kwa ban rectify. Dan rai nadu last time ru ngelapan iki. Ya kan ika DPR. Mga ong iki pe nginum pak tri iki palap sabar naka DPR. Te kumba kadon ke DPR ya kata pihak menteri kumta. Te mentaski ila penbed te lawan ki official na po NHIDCL rai sutanat nomor blay mentaski na mga lapan khnang ya kan DPR but ling ba kan ke DPR kalau ong iki baki hak menteri betik kumba ke DPR ke ong no dengan sulingo nomor ba war kisnong lu hasisya kilong ko umdu dengan lagi DPR tasi wat ka street light kadan adu kumba tanam baklang arpu pratliki street light di balada shisha imat ladang imewan kumni namun tau street light ula banca tengi so kemen ni por kumamta tengi scam nak kalian kesungangan budien nak kalian so kemen nomor ngiyo kinong punya sinong ki basyamkya ba kuntip te ke citrai lang ba kinong punya sinong tengi scam kani ka footpath ka di banlong kumba ka di banlong kat kumka DPR tinggal keren nama kidon ki benta bamyo ban sinai ka footpath nama ngistu hidon di ka barung yeng beriu ndai ya kitu ru kamon kenra pat syakiwe ki benta pat kamdi bendu no tingi yo ban extend pat syakiwe pergi jaka jadi kita di baru pengiladat ban ya keren bat ka NHIDCL bat nang ni khmat nginang budien bat ngin pentikena bahkan ya kam ka di banlong kumba as per the DPR Aisha Kapoor terkeladi di bandep dan dari kumbangi imta kita di tuna di bagi hapan le dan kambut ke kendang hapan menteri kan muslim sih di bandep
Ki pulet jong ke anti narcotics task force haga simpale jong tayo kila penlong ke jing khenra haga than lom survey bad akene ke jing khenra kle ban kame websnar ubdai unong khai drugs
Light है
Ayo.
Sisi itu plastik dong.
Kakanhun jong ke anti narcotics task force rengkat ke jing dan lang ki pulet ka cantonment beat house bat kinong shong shnong kila penlong ya ke jing khenra haga than lom survey bat kila yok kam yo snar nong khai drugs bat kila yok kurob arpusan point sausan gram drugs heroin ubalaburi apo ke krum jing thia ya ka belatap dak lentang ki pulet ka sadar police station kila kam bat register mokot dumai nong khai drugs bala pengan di apo ki kendon jong ke NDPSI ka ANTF kadang penlong ya ke jing toket kham tam haga ban thwet ki dak drugs bat ban ya khun bat ban rat deng khong yo drugs Ko All India Congress Committee hakala asngi ublai jeng katayo klewer ya ginong chong shnong ban ishim benta haka National Talent Hunt ban pendap iki kam haki benta ki ba kongsan hapok keseng bat ban sanduru ikalat bante ya gala kasap kapong haka jinglong no yalam All India Congress Committee kala play ya ka jingwat sub latip kum ka National Talent Hunt ka jingtubu ka balong ban penrung kam ya ki samla ki blanang start bat ki Rio Shampang hapok keseng kani ka jing persang ka belasan randu National President ba unong yalam kaliang persya Rahul Gandhi ka penpawe ka jingdan kam ba keseng Kongres kan penuan dor yala dia sya kata ka kamsan perthai jong ka jok ka bathamai hakaba ka jingedai ka pensyai kalong ka shabi Habakran gilat patai kubora ka sitrik un opera Arjat Orpusan Matthew Anthony Joint Secretary jeng ko All India Congress Committee ulapan benai kini ka jing player bat khot sobai borok kinong shong shnong bakin wani shim benta kani ka talent han kan long na ka benta ban pendap ki kam bat ki benta ka bokong san hapok ka seng ki bere shapang ka jing dai bat ka jing wat benya ki benta bo pher bakin ang WhatsApp menta ki long ya unong aiktian na spokesperson ban peni ki sab jing keren ki basai research coordinator ban peni ki sab jing wat benya media coordinator ban peni ki sab jing dai bat ki pat ba u Anthony ulong ro bakani ka dai ka kabuk ser borok glanang lastat bladan jing sham bat ki bladan ka jing mut perkhat ka basai bat ki wei pat ki brio ki bladan jing sham ka jala megalaya bakin wan banedan lang bat ka kongres ka onika merotra ka nong mi khabat jo ka seng kala batai kani ka jing persang kum ka game changer da ka bakado bagi pat ba ki don ka jing trang ban pen pa wala ka jong ka jing mut perkhat chapang ka mennar bat ka menta jong kari kala keno bagi sarkar bomenta ka persang ban pen pat pen prai ka ren san trekam bat ka persang ban pen kalai ka jing trekam kat kum ka jing mentoi jong ki
Matthew Ji, Sanjay Ji and ma'am. Well, as pointed out, it's going to be the game changer, it seems. And yes, people are interested. People want to voice their opinion. Looking at the present scenario of the country as to how one government is trying to dismantle the constitution, you name it and everything, and they're trying to change things as per their convenience. And we did hear people wanted to join Congress, wanted to speak about it, so we felt what good platform better than allowing them to come and raise their voice, where there's transparency and accountability, where there's where anybody can come up and apply for it and then be the voice of the Congress. Obviously, there's going to be a time frame for that. The time frames have been defined as to when will be the launch and how we are going to send across the Google Forms. How will we reach? How does it reach to every corner of Meghalaya? And we want maximum participation in it. Yes, the criteria have been laid, and the thought behind is the selection criteria would be like commitment to Congress values and ideology, clear thinking, quick response, strong control over language, communication, their political awareness, proper knowledge of history. These are the broadly parameters where we are going to assess people who want to voice their opinion and be a part of the Congress party. The dates, as pointed out, as finalized by all of us here, with the help of the President. 1st December today, we are launching and starting the application. It will be shortly all over in Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, everywhere. The Congress Party and its members will try to spread the word so that everybody is able to participate in it. Nobody is left out. And the last date for the application will be 10th of December. And 11th of December, we'll be doing the screening of the application. We'll shortlist as to who is applicable and who has that ability. A little broad-based scrutiny will be done. And by the 15th, and on the 15th, the state-level physical interview and group discussions will be held to give the final analysis as to who has been, selected as a part of this national talent hunt. It is done all over the country, nationwide, every state. It's done in 2 phases. The first phase, we are doing it. We've done in Assam, we're doing in Meghalaya and other cities and other places. And I'm very confident there's going to be a lot of people who come forward to raise their voice, as the country, as I said, is reeling under a lot of issues, be it unemployment, price rise, to changing of the constitution, or disturbing in terms of diversional politics that's been done by the Modi government.
Kalong kasi kebansakan mau bahadian 100% snem jo kejingya kun. Ka ilaka sat so open serdarship asora kalesoy kejingya te kular bat ka sarkar jela. Banchimti kejaka ka ba shispa arpupra akar ha kejingya lang kebelong hamadan pensat kurai ha sat so open sora ha kesito diang jo katayo. Ya kani kejingya te kular lai soy pedeng commissioner ba secretary ke sarkar jela ba Cyril Viding do baru serdar ke ilaka sat so open uba doning kenta. Ya kabalaidan lang sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Preston Tensong, Menteri Ketenat GAD Uba Sostenis Sotun, ki MLA ki bekentup Uba Balajit Kupar Senrem, Ba Uba Gavin William, ki MDC ki bekentup Uba Titus Starwell Khan, Kongres Mary Karpuri, Ba Uba Bari Kupar Senrem, ki Head Officer Sarkar Ba Kipat Ba Kethan. Kinong trana kejingelang ki lapan pau kejing sngongo ek Sarkar Jelah pa kejingelang Menteri Rang Ba ukonrat kongkal sangma. Baru sembut Menteri Rang Ba Uba Preston Tensong ki Malaysia kia ban penbet ya kene kam bat khatdo lala ban penurlong ya kejing temu bat poison don kejing ite akular ke bak sarkar kala IT ya kejaka ka basispa arpupra akar syaka ilaka sites open kilong ru bagani kejing yo ka ilaka ya kene kejaka kala long ru kum kejing yo ya kejing lat luit namar baros kata kane kejaka kadai kabla long try dekat nat GAD Uba Preston Tensong ulong bag sarkar kala IT bed ya kene kejaka ka basispa arpupra akar syak ilaka ban peniat ya kene kejaka ha kejing start jongka bagajing ai ke sarkar ya kene kejaka kalong ru kum kejing ai sngub ha Christmas bat senam thamai ya ki pat ba nong shong shnong ulong bag ka ilaka sat open kade kejabiang jong ka sora civil subdivision bat kumta la de ki alam mi kishnong da kelenti ke babakla ken poi syak ek ke bam sngub tenat Bab lekentui kinong yalam bagi day banelam syakajaka kabanlong kom ka paradise. Dalor kani uli thuru bag sarkar kala peniat syakamat ban penkre ke detail project report ban shna penhe no ek surak khnang bagan long syo ke jingker kui ka than sora bat sat open bat kumjo ya ka than shela. Hagawai pat kaliang uba Preston Tensong ulong bagi sorkar MDA kalala abancim kia ban pendep igi kam ke belas ateng deki posnam. Nrei ke sorkar kadonru igi jing saanuat hadu menta bakam patla ban penkenria iki basa hatemetor. Ulong ba buon kila kentok joriu nrei ula pentikena bakapor kan sapoi ban sala ban penurlong no igi jing angnuat bat ke jing dawa gi pat ba.
Kali kejeka jompi kalau ke bapau nam ubah balajit menewla ong dang keniat tayo minister badon burom jog dona chief minister uan bandu mau nong rim ye kitu scheme si paper hagwede bato tourism kane kalong gajing kerku ke bakrau bangaget scam ka investment ka baka sorkar kawanra hakan kerja ka jobi kan kelalong ru ka pliang ja ya pi ki pai ba no sok nempong ka ilaka seksok ten berokoi nangta susu nasuka banetu ya pi idben itenat ya kan ki area nadu nangte na tengah hadu hasil nilai improvement ya kan surok bahkan lo ke surok kabayaran kat standar bahkan nasional highway ke DPR mentagila pengkrek syat bangga kena scam mau diusnen hajar akun ri minyo ya kaban kot tenda Batman sedang ia akan dikesurok. Badadin, bangilalak, ban pendet, ia katei kesurok. Kan nanglong susu kaji kerku. Ia katahin suara barokoi. Ia katahin saik sopen barokoi. Hadu angti hapo wak shelah.
Garibhai Government Contractors and Suppliers Association, but All Meghalaya Contractors and Suppliers Association. Hagasi palay jung katayo kilala ikendo yaw sumbot Menteri Rangba Kajala wa Preston Tensong. Banwan ra ya ka matrekam da ka bapya no ya kitanda ki bahe kanang baki kontraktor ki baret ru kinyo bentalang bantre ya kikam. Garibhai Government Contractors and Suppliers Association lengbau ba pelat tiuso kilawan mani kendo yu sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala badu Menteri Katrat PWD uba Preston Tensong ban bensngoi kimat jing ek baki kendo kila dawana ke sarkar bakanwan ra di kimat rekam ban pia iki tanda package ki bahe kenang bagi kontraktor ki baret kinyo bentalang hakakam abakran ikilat patai kubor uba pelat tiuso ulong ba menta ki tanda kimi hagi big package ki batang ki hespa kila ban shim bat kejingdan bor jongu chief engineer superintending engineer badu executive engineer ban khot tanda igi baret kalado halor kani uba Preston Tensong lokular ban shim kya bat banwara biang nya ka open tanda hagasnam arajar apun rio bat ban ai bor biang yo chief engineer superintending engineer bat executive engineer ban khot ya ka tanda uba plela tiuso ulupan pauru ya kejing persyajor ya kejing khot ya ka close tender bat ya ka kam ga batrai in advance namar kini ki penkajing bat ki pensya siliang kidawaru babaro ki kam ki debenlong ki basai beli tu ru ba belayo ru bani kendo yo ba met baleng do Menteri Katrat Water Resources halor kajing mom yo bil ki contractor ki empat yo pisa na do benai leber kabakta ya kejing tre jongki bat kumjo ru ya kejing penkret na ka bentang Christmas kila uru halor kejing mom yo bil naga skim Jal Jeevan Mission wala kila plot shwa ya kapisa kila pente bau menteri lokular banda syadali bani keran halor kani kejing ya jongki kila pen paru kejing persyajor halor ketanda jo Katrat Soil and Water Conservation kabadai arponyo klor tengka kabel aitang ha we contractor ban pentre ya kakam ubatio so ulpan pau bagani kadi kesin ke beningkong bagi hab banwan kio ha secretariat banwat pisa bat kila mahamru belada kani kam orlong kin sapet diki waipat kilat kilenti
Iwan nakaliang jong ka Riboy Government Contractor Association bat kejingwan ikendo kejongi kalong sibon kimat kibenta kibangi layo ban persngong sei rengkat baka memorandum ko bangila pha sei But sibon ki kam ki bangi yo iba kalawang siya ka jikta ki kontraktor do na po ka district ka jungi. Mar kani ka kam kontraktor ka de ka be ka bala kredit hinagaling ka government, galing ka sarkar, nagpon manswa. Bagi kung kontraktor ni yo kam yo jam ni penhe persan nya ka yeng ka sem nang bagi di ka jiktre ka jungi yo maka. La kalong na kanong department ro. But namar kata ngi snow, ha kini kisnem ko mentah. Ngi iba ka jungi yo kam yo jam juki kontraktor kala nang hiat. But pilai aba khoti ki tandaro kami da ka paket semen yo atang kita ki beri bala banyak compete ka dor bahe te kalalong siya ka jinge ado kata namar bagi kontraktor beran ki district kam di tangah po kari district ada ki district baro ka way beran po jela ka jungi kaptam kasih dia ari boy bahabami kini ki jingtre ke bangi ngisue ban lithap namar bakwan ka package mensuah kam juan mensuah ki pon mensuah nakalian ka department juga perlu di habakot ya tendar UCI udon la ka jong ka pawar ukot batla ai boro yo USI bon khot la ka jong ka pawar ka jong hadu yang II nang bagi kontraktor boro kini yo kami jam re mentah ba kala kalong bangi yo syu ti mentah bangiwan bani kendo bat i sehari madu perston ila pensngo kata ka jing bat hadin ka jing tai ka jing pensngo jungi baharo lang te ila ai ka asuran ba hausnam arjar art inang study mentah bat arjar aku usnam manwan arjar pun real bat kila ban le kuntah ban khot open do di baro khot di tanda ban ailat UCI USI bat UI bagi dia pentah ban khot di tanda ban ila kapat i ba kam de ban long ade ban long bar khot ki kam de ban long transparent kam de ban don khan kata ka kani ka jing khot ye kini close tanda namang i ba ka close tanda la long siba palan kilai sim kabu nakaliang ka department tingi kwa bakata ka de ban long ka de ban mi at kum ka notification bagi de ban pelat ya ka apo ki tender notice board nang bangi kontraktor ngi ban tip ba ban tap ya ka namar bangi tap ya ka tender la ngi yo ka government ka yo no nang bag revenue nang custom tingi ngim salia la ngi yo ka kam namar ngi layam li ni kam man tre de ke ka bangi kwa ka de ban long transparent ni ka kam de ban don shu ki close tender but kam de shu ban don kitu ki kam ki batre in advance namar ka ni ka bangi nakaliang ka riboy government contractor sir ngi persiap ino la di kino mikmat la di kino bakin tre advance ai bakar long open lang marngir ngi don hapo ke district ngi don ngangej bahaman la ka konstruksi ki don higi kontraktor rakhat ki bala ban tap ya to tendar ka badon mdikin ban le close tendar hoi ki don ki case ki ba ngi sut ho kum ki kontraktor ki ba na department ki balo emergency kum kita ngi sut ho andre ki don pat ki kam ki ba light ki babon ke de ban long transparent habaro ki kam mi kwa bagan long ta tinggal lapan sengoro ini nama bulong bu minister bulong deputy minister ka jige ka ba om mengisiam tang napo ka pidludi kay ka mengisiam hapo ka water resources ro inang wan banya kendo ya med baro ila persngoi ka jige ka jungi ka kontraktor ila sengap ka jing or ka jing nam ka jungi bat kam dalong clear ka jing keren ado kat no bangin ngilong bangin don kata ka jing bangin yo ya kata ka pisah kay namar ba mentau di ubenai uba kadang ayom Christmas ben lek kemen kalong yang kalong sem mengi tangkat bagi kuni kwa kan begini yo ka bil bagi department kan pelai ki bil kontraktor lan ka bil supply kenang ba ngilak pendap ka yang sem kata kadang ka jing kwa ka jungi namara po water resources kan itu ki arhajar akusan tang hau nai financial year ngi yo kemut tang hau nai mas hadin katu kini ki kuatar hadu mentang imsim la yo pisah siniar tiga don syaka jing adu kata yang ikut doktor kamtam ki itu doktor kiba mla syu hab syu ngap ban ap myo syu ban trade ki kam namar ba myo bil tiga JJM ru tiga way problem ka ba create ba po ka district ka jingi mar kani ka tiga way ka beta ka ba khra ko ba ki kontraktor ngila syu sakut ka pisah laya bread ka pisah to laya pelut ang to hadu mentam yo pisah tingi kwa ba ka sarkar ka palai ngilay keren ya kata bat nakaliang dong deputy minister ila shim initiative ban dia keren bai ong bai salit sedelim akini kisngi ban perhat nam kata kanang ba niyo ban IAA ya ki kontraktor ni kermen hanta namar ngide ki kestang ngidon ke jingkermen te inget ba kai ke bangi pensong ta kasi ba kai ba la ban lompat ingi ke jingmentoy ingi bangi la ban sungup kemen kum ki kontraktor beran po ke distrik tingin dia yam kumno kalong telah kamdan kanu ka jinglong pat te sampai pada kumui
All Meghalaya Contractors and Suppliers Association lengbau Presiden Oba Precious CM. Haka sautrik unda opera arajar arpusan kilalit bani kendo yu sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Ubreru Menteri Ketenat PWD uba plus tonton song ban pesngau yek jing bagi kendo. Halor ke jing ke bami ni kam bagi kontraktor beria uba precious sia mula keno ba ke jing warak sarkar ki kam ha package ke bahe ke datang ke jing kuat mentoi jong nur jong no. Banyo penteri marwai ki skim ke bakta ki kontraktor ki berit. Ule tho bo sembut menteri rang ba ke jela lokular ban chim kiai kene berun betha ki officer bagi skim malamang pisah ada gejala de ban pia akarukom bagi kontraktor na gejala ru kin yo lang ya kekam. Ula kular ru ban khot ke jing lang halor kene. Ha kene ke jing kendo gila pensengoru halor ke jing poislam pelat kibil ke ba penlong ya ki kontraktor ban yo pisah tang ha ubenai ke lalengkot. Ke ba pendok lad iki ban penden kame ke pisah na ke bentar ke Christmas bat ke senam thamai. Menteri ula kular ban ekran bat ke tenat pelatengka bakin pelat iki bil ha kepor ke babiang. Nalor kane kila pensengoru halor ke jing persya ke jing temu ban pekerja ya ke office Central Division Nabarik Syamadan Reting. Namar kan bojing ya baro namar ke jing jor palat ke jing daheng kali.
Ba man kapur si poilet to si yo hadu ki arpulai terik te days ago na hadian untuk days ke syuti te kat bakin dep kam na office kin credit si account kan poi shadow January first week second week tingi wan kerpat kita bakal kumnu hapok arpo terik badai barni kumnu berkan room no asyak account kontraktor kanang bakin yo ban penun kami ka bisa agak Christmas ke New Year. Nang tuang iwan ru dalam tapan ikran ya ka office bagi mud ban chef ya ka Central Division kumna po barik siapo mararting. Tek Central Division ka division ka ba tarikam bay apo social kan ba ya ki nang teri sarkar ki engineer ki officer bakin ya be kam syate mararting baka bablok traffic ka ba sigenta steng kan bambay nang ni stay ban wan nang tay sedia nang ni stay kan bam kai ka por sigenta ta te kan khambai ke Central Division ba ka sarkar kan perkhat kan nuno kan bu apreng juga sorselom kanang ba kan sukar kom terkam terjam ya ki engineer ban ingi kontraktor ban di kendu mar ting nai ka inga lai khlelang tu bar hoit di division ba parking ru kanum don ta jenjal parking ba te ni kerpak di da future minister ba Preston Song bai zo ba ban perkhat sani bahas ba kene job ba khanang bukan sup yang suka sain jogi kontraktor ba ki notari juga Central Division
abai dei bat ka ila nakaliang ka jong constitution nama mencuang ila konteng ke kies abai dei bat ka EDB funded scheme hakaba yaki scheme la syuklap lang kaju te yakani ila ai da ka good judgment yak bagi la job ka kies ko por terus nama zakata te ila ai ka copy si ba ila pen i ba tu ko por hadin bala job ka kies nakaliang jong ka good kalapa sa sarkar bahkan pihak bahkan bifurcate kita ki scheme ka kidon ki jisha menchua ka ki club kita ki school ka di sau kror shajarong kidon di sau kror hadin begila split ya kata ki bon ki locals ki la man participate nama ki lawan ha ka category like kror arpo ka di berdu te kum kita ki ila ai kan usai ila pani dan nakaliang ka jong iru ila kalau ban chem kata ba yong insta direct ki officials ki jong i ba kin pet ya ki no ki scheme ki bala ban pia ki badai khamtam ki state funded but kumju ru pada dei ki ni ki ba finance da ki agency ru lada ki bala bangin split akan kom ba la local la participate
Menteri Ketenat PHE Kajela Meghalaya Umar Kuis and Marak Ulong bagi sarkar pedang kampat pelat ya kepisah bansia wa kibil jongki kontraktor ki bapentre ya kejal Jivan Mission ha Meghalaya bat hagi jela jongkari India kumta ke sarkar kan salet ban penbor ya ke sarkar pedang ban pak pelat no ya kepisah syua ke jing rakhe ya ke Christmas
Menteri Ketenat PHE kan Meghalaya Umar Kuis and Marak Ulong bagi sarkar pedang kampat pelat ya kepisah bansia wa kibil jongki kontraktor bapentrei ya ke skim Jal Jivan Mission ha Meghalaya. Da ke bakado begane kam dai tang ha Meghalaya han reka jah ke India hi barok kawai. Menteri ulayatho ba halor kania na kaliang Ketenat kala persyang ban penbor ke sarkar pedang ban pelat no ke pisah syua ke Christmas. Da ke bakado bu menteri rang ba ke jelaru ulah depe kendo menteri sarkar pedang UCR Patel ban IT ya ke dor khas halor kania. Menteri Ulia Turu bakumba kalong menta ke jing trei jong ke Jal Jeevan Mission Scheme ke jela kelapoi syaka prapulai tam na ke sispa. Bat bon ki kam kelap ban sange Ashwa namar ke jing mamiok pisah. Laban kedau hang ni bagi kontraktor jong ke All Gentia Contractors and Suppliers Association kila berngem mancim ni senjam ke beteng lada empelat ya ke bil jongki.
Them bills are not paid to all the contractors because we are yet to receive the Government of India fund released. It is not only the government of Meghalaya who is not able to pay the JJM bills. It is entire country, pan India, I should say. All the states have not received fund from the Government of India. This is, actually there are many reasons on it. Government of India, once the JJM has been extended to 2028, have directed all the states to reconcile the exceeded expenditures, which was a massive exercise done by the PHE department. I think 3-4 months they have done the reconciliation of the exceeded expenditures, which has been incurred on almost all the projects. This is one. Number two is another again, which is again the geotagging of all the projects. So this is being done on the direction of the Government of India, and Government of India has also put a condition that whoever the states have received the state fund, state share of the JJM, which we have already met a state share of JJM. We have received from the Government of Meghalaya the state share of more than 700 crores, which is pending for the payment. So therefore, it's not only the state of Meghalaya, it's pan-India, across the country. No other state has got the fund received from the Government of India. That is the reason why we are not able to pay the pending bills. We are also trying our level best to convince the Government of India to make payments before the Christmas, because it's a Christian state, is a duty found on the part of the Government of Meghalaya that we should take care of our own people. So considering that we are putting our effort to pursue Government of India to convince them that money be released to some of the Christian states, including Meghalaya. In the last week, Honorable Chief Minister has met C.R. Patilji and submitted the memorandum also. And in near future, if we need, we will try to, I have already talked to Chief Minister sir also, that we should be meeting Prime Minister. So in case nothing happens, then we might have to meet Honorable Prime Minister also.
Namar ke jingay biteng banti kendo bean haki babon gishnong ki bahap apo kathan Raj Marwet. Hagala asing ublay jeng katayo keseng All Raj Marwet People's Federation kalalit ujor hau Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi Bandawa Bantuklar Mardor bat ban pak pensangya no shisendan ya kene ke jingti kendo bean hakathan Raj Marwet.
Da gajing sokya ke bajor halor ke jingay biteng ke jingti kendo bean haki babon gishnong ki bahap apo kathan Raj Marwet. Hakashitrek uno apra arhajar arpusan kinang ilam jeng All Raj Marwet People's Federation ARMPF. Kilali ben ujor syau Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi bat bandawaru bancim kia ban pensengya no mardor ya kene ke kam kene kathan. Ha kene ke jeng ujor syau Deputy Commissioner nakaliang ke ARMPF dalam kemat Presiden uba ring so pedang u Komal Shakwa uba Secretary lambat kiwe-kiwe gidkhot kibla IT de ke jeng tho ban ujor halo kene ke jingti kendo bean hakathan Marwet ya kabala IT hau Abilash Baranwal uba Deputy Commissioner. Habakran hakilat patai kubor uba ring so pedang halor kiwe-kiwe ginong yalam kilapan pau ke jing sokya ke bajor halor ka jingjor ka kamti kendo bean hagi babun teligi benta jong kathan Raj Marwet bat wat harut keserok ba National Highway kata nado Jorabat terter syado Khanapara kilapan pau ru bagene ka kamti kendo kala kata askadai agi pat ba nong song snong jong ne kathan namar bon kilamat ke jing kerdoom ke jing penjaklea ke Mariang bat wat ke jing sleium ke Basirkai da ke babenrap ru bawat ba ke Asam kala keno agi jing ti kendo ha Raj Marwet pegajuan ra ke jing sleium ha Guwahati. Syusuru nakaliang kinong yalam gila benrap babon kinong chong snong kene kathan kim dai ki badan baem banti deng ba kita ki kor ki bor kumba ki dan katu kene ki Rio dan Spa. Bad ekene ka kam ti kendo la keno bala shule da ki reu he aspa ki bakwan man to shimet kum tai la karpat ki bor ka an bagin jim khia ban toket ekene ka kam ti kendo be an ha ka than rat marwet. Bad ki lapan pauru bawala la da ban ujor shaw ranger katnat forest ha khat armer ndai kam shimla dan satya kanu kono ka jing shim khia. Na kaliang u deputy commissioner habakran bigino tho kubor lapan pau Baulayo agane ke jing ujor halor ke jing don ki kamti kendo be an harat marwet bakumta unsa shimkia ban pentip syaki bor bahalor ke tenat forest ban penlong ya ke jing toket bala dalap ke jing shisha na kaliang ki bor ke distrik insa shimpat ya ki lat ki lenti ki bateng e
isu penat bat ikendo pat bisi ula shimkia ya ke komplain jonge ke ba kathong jonge ke seng ba ya kite ki nong na ketega area maiguli bagi high level ki ba otndomo telong ka disokia yang ye kum ka sang namar babun sing yo ina ka tika tempat menurut juni ka du sak kenok ba kamtam na ki baru kamtam ye ka jelar ti ong he ba karat nomor ki selong kum kum tema te sakawe na kinong song snong ru ba ni hapakhat kum kaliang ka sang namar pa no manta ki otndeo telong ka kaduna ba te hadin kaduna te bapli kin pot bormo ban lek kum balik maki ban sna boring yoi mentah ga timbat jungi nomor don ti bakam don pa ki sna da boring da te takawai dangi ala labet bakin otndeo te ka jung tiro baki judi ro kanong saw te sakawai ka pollution ro ta ya kamariang te ya katang condemn ha minom ailat bakin ot ikanik ndeo namar ka panjot ya kamariang
all Ride Marwet People Federation, they met and submitted one complaint regarding some alleged illegal earth cutting activities going on in Maithili and nearby villages. Per se, it falls in the domain of DFO territorial. So we have just received the complaint. We'll have to ascertain the facts. So I'll forward the matter to DFO and seek inquiry report from them to be able to proceed further. We'll have to check if it is still valid because generally these orders issued under Section 163 are valid for 6 months. So we had issued orders during monsoon season, especially in light of the landslides that are triggered because of the uncontrolled earth cutting activities or unscientific earth cutting activities across near the highway regions and PWD roads. So that order was passed with regard to controlling the landslides that may be triggered because of these earth cutting, but then whether they are still in operation or not, that we'll have to check.
MLA ke Umroy constituency uba daman bat lamare ha kesing balang jong katoyo ulelit jurep ke jing shna ke jingking batamai ho umyam kabadan harum jong ka jaka plaj jong ka dam site ha gini ke jing jurep la syam ba ke jing shna ke jingking kalong ka bapaka bad ha ki khendiat benai on sala ban pendep no ke jing shna ya ke jingking kajing trai ban shna pendep ke jingking ka batamai ho umyam kabadan harum jong ka jingking rim kelanang ya chkmat bala antat ru batang hapo ki kendiat benai an la ban shna pendap lot ikikam ke basa baro namar kumagalong mata kani ke jingkiang kelalong ke bapaka bat ban pensuk ru ya kayat ke yang ki kali he bat ki bas night super ya kadi lapan pau ru ba daman bat lamareu MLA ke Umroy constituency hadian ke jing jurep jungu ya ke jing pentrai ya ke jing tai ya kani ke jingkiang thamai umyam ha ka balala babon ki kam gila dat blot ba ka basa stang ban airong penitrat ke jingkiang bat ka jing siang rong ye ki katu kani ki serok ki baniat lengba kani ke jingkiang ke batamai la senran lang kani ke jing net jurep MLA ke Umroy dau executive engineer ke tenat PWD Umsning division uba di lalu bat kiwe ke officer na ke tenat PWD na kaliang uba lamare ulai ke jingero ke bakrau yo contractor ubala tray step ya ka ne ka kam ke ban shnai ke ne jingkiang ke batamai ha ga batang hapo nyo benai bon ki benta jong ne jingkiang ladap ban pendap bat ke basa astang hakikat tu ke benta ha ga bandang liang ke sarkar kelamang arpulai kelur tengka ban tai ke ne jingkiang bat bo poru arpusau brai ban pendap ndai de jing trish tom jong contractor ki kam ke lajan dap baro lo ok sho uba daman bait lamare ulong ru ba kejingla ban plek lo ya kene jingkiang kan long shisha ke jing mentoy ke jela kam tam ke pat ba nong let nong wan nak jing olat baniat ki kali he bat ki bus night super ki berahap sange ha umyam balada kini ki bus night super ken yo pat baniat jaka yang jongki ha ka ISBT ha maulai moyong ini ke jaka yang ki bus ru kan la ban tre kampura bat ke jing mentoy kan long lem ya baro
badi kontraktor si ma perkhat hing bat IJI bade sakene ke area bapak Adin kaptu la riaj mentana do la new prabai la pri ini mapakat dia di dalam ni ngaso komen ado kata-kata namar kane ka ade ka jingsuk kawai mde sudah tang da benta kane ka than ka dong sine ya ka state hi borok kawai namar kane ka long no kum ka kawai ka leng la belong ka entry do kawai ka leng la belong ban ong ka exit do namar baro kipaj ba kinong le nong man kiwan naguhoti kiwan ni kita mo baro ya liti bene ban kiu sponsor selong tagalong ka bakaman long ka papusutanat kapala pelong satisfy yang kumapilai ya khamat la jong baro kini sahab kini opsal ram ne long ba kakam long kaya sa nga klampa perkara long ba tangkat tukat ni banai ba nimyo ban i kani ka jingking kana long kat ni ka jing ba da biya da terima ya ka jingking yung mau jingking yung ngen ong long ba kumalapet ada biya kan nga ba di mamam ta sipang long ba sa stang ka finishing ban pendep kini kiriling kumbapi i chaden kini kiriling ban pendep ban ai ka rong bat kidon kutia kijat kijing teri ban pendep ban naliang na tapat da pili pa ba inu suro uban posa do sa po highway ban li silong chwa ban pagat jingking dam ba satero satang kandir konsot kinang sa kikam civil work kikam cement kikam ya satang kandir konsot but nagani kaleng ban mi sa po umiam nong sudar umiam saneta kala long ko badep sa satang ka black topic
ka St. Peter and Paul Secondary School Maukis em Soara hakasi thok ding jagatayo kala penha perdano ya kejing rakhe ya ka jubilee ksiar da ka penlong ya kejing rakhe ka ba ipo ipim ya kini kejing rakhe kejing dap san posnam la penha perdano do sembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba presiden tensong badu menteri ketenat puli puthi ba lak men romboi ha ka balai dan lang UMLA ke shelau ba balajit ku parsenram UMLA ke Soara ba Gavin William UMDC ke Soara ba Titus Starwell Khan kinong peniat kinong hikai ki kana skol ki barim bat ki bamenta bat ki wekibai kumshi benta jong kejing rakhe la pelat dru ya ka kot sakan mau na souvenir na ta keladan kejing audio kiek bala penipu ipeng ya kejing rakhe da kejing ruai ba kejing shat ki bele shim benta da ki kana skol nalor kane la pen ko buram ru ya ke sister provincial ke sister Smitha SD ke bala rakhe lang ya kejing dap san posnam kejing lo reuniam Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi ubala kemen romboi uloong bak sarkar MDA hagi diki news nam tam kala persang borba ban penjanai bat pen bahasa syo ke Puli Puthi hagi jala berokawai bat mentaki kam girang ya cekmat habakran kumukongsan uba preston tensong ulero agi bor peniat jog skol belala ban agi jing syakri hagi ni kesan posnam na ke bentak snong maukis em bat kisnong ke mamarjan Uliatu bagidan bon bahak skol ke babun kino hikai banyak ki kena skol bat dei nak ne kadau bag sarkar ka sheme karai bagi deban khangno perulama ha me ki bakum kini ki skol ki bamkot ika matrekam jong sarkar jela bat ka sarkar pedeng usembut menteri rangba ulakan thok kelaru iki brio ki bakeno baka kot yarap kata kasiam impact guidebook da ka boong bagi kentho bagi deban tip bagane ka kot yarap bagam dei setia ka kot puli ulakan turu ikipat ba bat ki kimi kipa bagi deban sngoto ba kemde ban cha elam bakla namar ya kani ka kot yarap lapan krea da ka bale sani ba bat bishar benia da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education embos
sarkar haba ngile nam tabit jiben ngi menta dang don gi priwang ka sarkar hakini news nem kale ayu haka pora bangisi aja khatra dawan ka sarkar dapat ka merit scholarship but I some by bang in ka lower but upper south hill but shispa andara hak kabinet isar presto ni ong ladam la ban pengkiu namar bangi nyong ban pengkiu bahaba pendu tementang ikentiu haki samspa bakin diuspa kalayara yak na shipna ka scholarship jong ikna dang haka negate esngi sai jai ngidang pelai yak scholarship jong ikna ka last installment dang bon ke bang kentho bale ka ka sarkar ka kwa burom bang pelai scholarship ro pelong da ka function namar ba kiba bon kita ginong kentho ke banaru Harai kemau hadu aja khatra hadu aja kakendai khatra maximum scholarship tang 1,000 tam Rai de ka sarkar Jongi kabangi kentil minimum khatsan hajar plus minus hado 20 hajar ta. Hala ka jong ka kerda. Dan tak ada ngingi perkat ya ke manginan kam ya ki school ngidan kam ya ginahikai ngidan kam ya ginahikai ki babiang katum ke kedang pemerintah ngidan kam ki kena ki badokro batin yo ya ke jingarap ngi address ya kine bangidan kam ru ya ki college habarok ki jaka dan tak ada hadu aja katra dan tang riu tu li government college apa ke makhalia hadu aja aku prangan ong epi kindan kendai telu babaro ki college ki balok yo jingarap bun bahasulong hanrai hakan sekarang MDA kilayo kelen banyarap nang om balabiang ngin hap ban lebon badai tang ng sarkar ngilayo yang engineering college ngilayo yang lakajang university hanrei ngin nom judge ba shibet dang lay pai kin ong marmu education minister la ai tu merendam ho ai ayu sister that will be the thing that every will talk. I will not commit anything, but we are working into the policy how to improve the infrastructure, how to help the schools, the government schools, and how to help the schools which does not run by the government.
Ngasngau bangaday banay ka burom ka bakraw ya kani ka mission ka bamenta ka Syakri kalong Sun Postnet Saint Peter and Paul. When we go back to the name of Saint Peter and Paul, the name of the school itself is so meaningful. We all know as Christians who is Peter and also who is Paul. Kakerteng jong kanika school. Peter and Paul. Haka Holy Bible. Kalong gaba ay mensim sibune. Yangi. Kikon ki jong blay. Haka jing penyad. Ya ka mission. But haka jing penyad ru. Ya kata ka vision. Kabakini ki angut ki riu krau ki riu blay. Kila IT haka juk. But ka generation ka jongi. Ka sorkar kam thia kam den. Ban walk out ya ki policy tray kam haka bedai but ka education sector. Ngakwa banyathu ya pi da ka jing tray sitom jongi marumbui kum minister bapet ya kanika tenat kabadon kam hadu kata-kata ka jela ka jongi. Ilapoy ka final stage. Ya kabingla sim ya ka policy jong ka rationalization gabni ong don ki school kibabun kinong hikai banyi ki kena school. Ngi nakasorka ngila sim ya karai ka baskem. Baya ke bakum kita. Ngimban si. Bangi habban ong yaki bakinday bantan.
Haswa bangin kimi ki kubor ke badangsa ngina pa shipor syakini kijing penbara. Haswa begini kimi ki kubor ke badang sa ngin penkenmau biang ikimat bekongsan jangka kubor benta ketayo. Kajing songshit shemram ke sarkar MDA kanwanra ke jingkit ke bakia ke jela ong ba Vincent Pala. Kujingmut u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ban omlet phasho syakaseng kongres. Pok mi biang ke jing kenat amai kuli keno tarong bat pendam ke jing tho dakinong asami umat MGNREGA tuklar ki bor penyak distrik. Maha muba prestun tunsong yu kontraktor berpentut kendo bat mau syagi jakarap. Kumba prapulai sendok kakiat pareng ba kakiat persi kurup kesenong mau kurwat nayo bat kikali. Arpusangut ki kena akan thai ke jela layo ban pelait na kejakasa na Karnataka. IT ke sarkar jela ke jaka ke basispa arpapra akar syaga ilaka sites open. But yashim bata shirham ki kena skol ke St. Edmunds haka Christmas Carol. Kasanshnong Youth Welfare Organization ke bade ke kenhun ke bakmi bat peniat ya ke jaka jung okai perthai ke Elephant Falls. Ha kesimar jung tayo kalapan hak perdano ke jing rakhia dap arpusan snem ne ka jubili rupa jong ne seng jong ki samla ke bana ki santli kishnong.
Ya kani ke jing rakhia ya ke jubili rupa lapan hak perdano do menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ke jing dan lang menteri ke tenat jung okai perthai ke jelau Timothy Dishira kinong yalam bagi dekat ke Sanshnong Youth Welfare Organization. Kabadai ke kenhuan ke bakmi ya ke jaka jung okai perthai ke Elephant Falls. Ha kani ke jing yalang lai don rekat ru kiwe ha kaba lapan ku buram bagi dekat ke belaseng ya ke organization kamtam habak Elephant Falls menshua ke lalong ke ketem jong ki kam sniu. Dari mentah kelalong, kajaka jung okai ke bapau nam ha kejela. Habakaran ke jeng yalang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ul ai kublei ya ke Sanshnong Youth Welfare Organization halo ke jeng kenjo show maumer jong ke jeng dap arpusan senam. Berulong bawa lah ke jeng yak lenti ke organization kelalong ke bae. Dari ke jeng rakyat ke sini ke noksa ban peni ya ke ai ke balak ban penurlong habadan ke jeng trelang rengkat bat ke jeng pelajing mut sya ke jeng tumu. Menteri Rangba ulong bayakan unu ke kamban penti kena bakan nong ke besaiso bat ke bayai ne. Ka jing isim benta jong senong ke tau kalong ke bakong sanba.
Kum shibenta benele kemen ya ke jingwan long brio jong utrai Jesu Kris. Kabahakan ya ke ayom ke bementangi ken mau ya ka bat bangira kiru ya ke ayom jong ke Christmas. Ha ke sito dieng jong ke tayo ke St. Edmunds School ke lepenlong ya ke Christmas Carol. Ha ke bagi kena school nado ki baret hado ki belahe kle shibenta shirham ha ke program.
Lord, come to us in love. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. A little bit of love, a little bit of care, a little bit of Christmas to spread around. That's the theme. And I ask you, parents, to give a little bit of your time each day to your children. That's the best way to celebrate Christmas. A little bit of time. As children grow older, we tend to leave them on their own. And that's a terrible thing to do. Because our kids are getting, the boys in the higher classes, they're getting very inclusive. They withdraw within themselves. They are addicted to these things. They make friends with these things. And they find it difficult to relate. So we need to spend time, whether they are small or big, little bit of time every day we need to spend if we have to really look after our children.
te parlok da gatung ila poi shika bakut jeng tuk kubor jeni menta gatayo de se shameng bat pili tayo haga juga sngi ba haga juga por. Shibo ne kapor jongki ba jase.